Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte. Today we're making vegan spicy tuna with crispy rice. My recipe is a little different because I use chipotle to give it a little heat, but also a really nice smoky flavor. If you're into that, keep on watching. It's a delicious appetizer, so I hope you enjoy this video. For this vegan spicy tuna, I'll be using some tomatoes as my tuna. You'll need 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Score the bottom of the tomato. This makes it easier to peel off the skin after we boil them. Bring a pot of water to a boil and make sure it's enough water to submerge the tomatoes fully. Boil the tomatoes for about 40 to 60 seconds until it starts to peel. And then remove them from the water and place it into an ice bath for it to cool. After a few minutes, it should be cool enough to handle, and peel off the skin from all the tomatoes. After you've peeled off all the skin, cut the tomatoes in half and then in quarters lengthwise. Then remove all the seeds and juices from the tomatoes. Now place all the tomato flesh into a large bowl and we can start marinating them in some seasonings. To the bowl of tomatoes, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of kombu powder, this is going to add the fishy flavor, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Then mix well to combine. Let the tomatoes marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Now I'm going to make the crispy rice. You'll need 1 cup of Japanese short grain rice. Wash the rice several times until the water is clear. Cook the rice with 1 cup of water. And steam for 25 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it all up and add a generous amount of salt with some toasted sesame oil. I'm placing the rice onto a silicone-lined baking tray. This is going to help make it a lot easier for you to remove and shape the rice later. I'm using a rice paddle to press it down and really compact it to the edge of this baking tray. Then I'm going to use this cookie cutter to make circle disc shapes. Wet your fingers with some water and gently press on the edge of the rice so that it will gently come off the cookie cutter. I'm using my hands to just gently shape the rice and make it look a little neater. And just repeat this step until you've used up all your rice. The last step, I'm using the rice paddle to gently just press on it so that they're all nice and flat and compact. Now we can make them all crispy. Add some oil to a non-stick pan, and once the oil is heated, add your rice discs. Pan fry the rice for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown. Now back to the tomatoes. I'm going to remove all the tomatoes from the bowl and I'm going to chop them into a rough mince like this. Use a sieve to strain out the excess liquid from the tomatoes. Then add the tomatoes back into the bowl and we're going to add a spicy mayo with 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo, and 1 teaspoon of chipotle and adobo paste. Then just stir to combine well. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, mash into a paste, add some lime juice, stir to mix well. I'm chopping up some chives to use as a topping for this appetizer, and it also adds a nice flavor to this dish. Spread a layer of avocado onto the crispy rice. Then add a generous amount of the vegan spicy tuna. Place the little crispy rice onto a plate, top with the freshly chopped chives. And you're ready to dig in and enjoy this appetizer. Let's try these. That was so delicious. That slightly smoky, spicy vegan tuna with creamy, tangy avocado with that crispy, savory rice. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you got anything from this video, I would really appreciate that you like and subscribe. I post vegan recipes every Wednesday, so subscribe if you want to keep up with that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.